Okay guys, we will be looking at this setup and see how we can trade with it. Okay, I actually saw this setup, I saw this chart later on, I mean earlier on today, and of course I took advantage of the market. But I want us to clarify something so that we will understand some of these things very well, and of course we will know how to manage a situation like this. Okay, so this is very important, and I'm really happy that we are having this right now. Okay, so we will be checking out this and see how we can manage the situation and how we can make more profits with this. Okay, so stay tuned and watch this video to the end. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos, do your own personal practice. Okay, you should practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we will be checking out this setup that we are having at the moment, and this setup is called a smart indicator, and of course it is an amazing trading tool. But we want to check out the structure of the market that we are having using this setup. Okay, this actually was an uptrend around here but came to an end at this resistance zone. Okay, like I've always been telling you, we have the major and the minor support and resistance zone, and of course the resistance zone always come at the top, which is always the major resistance zone, while the support zone come below. Okay, so this is very important. So if the market structure actually break out above the resistance zone, it will keep on buying, and if it breaks out below the support zone, it will keep on selling. These are some of the things that you should take note of. Okay, so but the first thing that should come to your mind when the market structure is approaching the resistance zone, a major one like this, the first thing that should come to your mind is that there may likely be a change in direction of the market, which means it may likely go back on downtrend at that particular point. But that does not take away the fact that it can still break out above this resistance zone and keep on buying. The same thing is applicable to a support zone, a major one at this point. Okay, we may likely have a change in direction of the market once this market is approaching it, and of course this means that it can go back on uptrend, and that does not also take away the fact that it can also break out below this support zone and sell more. Okay, all these are very important, guys. All these are very important. So this is what you should have at the back of your mind. Okay guys, now that it didn't break out immediately, it came down and gave us, you can see this red dotted line shows that the market is on downtrend at that particular point. So this actually gave us an entry point around this, this point. Okay, an entry point around this one. You can see the sell signal here, so it means that the market will be selling right from there. But if the market is selling right from there and you are placing your order around there is one thing I said at the beginning, that that does not mean that it cannot still break out from the resistance zone and continue to buy. So this means that you should have your support zone around that side. Your support zone, I want to use the red color for the for the stop loss. Okay, so that does not mean that, that means that you should have your stop loss around that side. Okay, so I want to use the red color, that is why I had to pull this up there. Okay, so this will serve our stop loss. Okay, so stop loss is meant to secure your capital. Okay, when you just place your order, it is meant to secure your capital at this point. So this has given us a a sell order, and we are selling at the moment. We just placed an order, and of course we're going to bring out another horizontal line, which is going to signify our price action. The price action started moving from there, and of course got to this region. It pulled back. You can see it's had a major pullback till it got to this region, but went back down again. And at this point we are actually having another sell signal. Okay, remember this actually gave us a buy signal around here, but this particular one is not a significant one because it is a pullback. You can see the structure, it is a pullback. Okay, the downtrend started already. It must always have a pullback, then it should go down again, have another pullback, then go down again. So this gave us another opportunity to give us to get a sell order around here, so we can still place another sell order if our capital permits us. Okay, we can still place another one right here and make sure we have a stop loss for that order also. Okay, so this actually went down. Once it breaks out below this particular support zone, okay, I expect us to pull our stop loss from here and bring it down. You can see it, bring it down till you get to this region. Okay, this actually came down till it got to this region, had a pullback again and went down again and again till it broke out from this particular stop loss again. And at this stage I expect you to adjust your stop loss to somewhere here. This will secure more profit for us. Remember, we had our first order around there and the second order should be around here. Okay, so at this stage we now have two orders in profit and all the stop loss should be somewhere here. As this is going down, just make sure you close in on the stop loss because you should lock up about 80% of the profits. Okay, this actually spike. You can see the spike that happened around here. It spiked up and got to this region. That was the first spike. So what will happen is it will push up your stop loss backwards to where it stopped and close your trade for you. You can see that another spike happened again, but you won't be in the market at that point because it has gotten to your stop loss. That is the beautiful part of it. Now we have a buy order around here. You can see it, you can see the uptrend. It is coming from a major support zone, so this buy order should be followed. Okay, you can see that it has been spiking since then. If we had followed up with the buy order, we would have been in a lot of profit. Let's say we decide to come in around here, and sorry, let me use white for that. We decide to come in around here, and of course we place our stop loss somewhere here, and this kept on going on. Okay, it kept on going up, got to this region, went up again till it got to here, and of course all we need to do is to adjust the stop loss and lock up 30% of the profit. This is still going up. Let me put this somewhere here. Okay, because we are not having more order coming in. Okay, so it kept on going up. You adjust your stop loss to somewhere here. It is easier when you are trading. It is easier to trail the profits or to lock up more profits when you are trading the spiky parts, okay, than when you are trading the normal trend. Okay, it got to this region, then spiked up recently and spiked again till it got here. So at this point I expect you to lock up 80% of the profit. So just put your stop loss somewhere here. Okay, and of course this will give you bigger margin, profit margin that you are locking up for yourself. If this should pull back and get to your stop loss, you will be taken out of the market immediately. And if there is another spike, it will take it up to this region. Okay, and of course you still adjust your stop loss. If it should spike again and break out above this resistance zone, then definitely you keep on milking the market that way. Okay, I believe you all understand this setup, and I believe you all gain a lot from this. Okay, so you guys should take advantage of the market right away. So if you're having this trading tool, take advantage of the market right away. If it is the 3M trend milker trading indicator that you are having, do not waste your time um, on the markets. Use the indicator to do your analysis, and of course take advantage of the market immediately. It is as beautiful as that. Okay, for those of you who have more questions about this trading tool or any other trading tools that you've seen me using, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp. I'll always be there to reply you. And if you want to know more about my presentation, feel free to contact me, and you can also join the Telegram channel to know more about it. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.